Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make this easy pan-seared salmon with lemon butter sauce. It's very simple to make and really delicious. My picky eaters completely devoured this meal. It's so good. Let's get started. Alright you guys, we only need a few ingredients for this recipe. We're using 2 pounds of salmon. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box. I also have some fresh dill, some lemons, and butter. This recipe moves really fast, so make sure you have all your ingredients prepped up. We are going to start by seasoning the salmon with some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. I'm only using about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't go too crazy with the salt because we're using a lot of lemons in this recipe and lemons are pretty salty. So once the fish is seasoned, we're going to set it aside for later, then work on the other ingredients. I'm going to quickly rinse one of the lemons. Oh gosh, ignore the dirty dishes in my sink. I will do them very soon. We're going to zest the whole lemon, so it's very important you rinse it first. You should be able to get about 1 teaspoon of lemon zest from the whole lemon. Next, we're going to cut up 2 whole lemons, then squeeze out the juice. Go ahead and set aside the lemon juice. Then we're going to chop some fresh dill, about 2 tablespoons. Okay, so now we have all our ingredients prepped. It's time to start cooking. I have my pan heated up over medium-high heat. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. Allow the butter to melt completely. Then we're going to cook it for about 4 minutes until it turns a nice golden brown color. Make sure you stir the butter periodically so it doesn't burn. Okay guys? I'm going to add in all 4 salmon fillets. Cooking the salmon in that browned butter will add a delicious nutty aroma to the recipe. It's going to be so good. We're going to cook the fish for 3.5 minutes on one side. Then we're going to turn them over. As soon as they're turned over, go ahead and add the lemon zest and the lemon juice. Then we're going to cook them for 2 or 3 extra minutes. Now while this is cooking, you want to go ahead and spoon the sauce over your salmon periodically. Make sure you don't overcook the salmon or it will be dry. Alright, we're going to finish this with the freshly chopped dill. Now keep in mind that this recipe is very lemony and delicious. If you don't like it too lemony, you can add a little bit of honey to balance the taste, but I like it very lemony, so this is perfect. We served this with rice pilaf and honey carrot. It was really good. The lemon butter sauce pairs really well with the salmon, and I highly recommend serving this with some sweet carrots because they balance each other very well. If you guys would like to make this, check the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.